Winter killing your golfer mood? Think again. This is when some of the easiest deals happen for you. Here's the deal. In this video, I'm going to show you how winter can be full of opportunities for you. How you can make money off simple flips while everyone is slowing down. The first January of my flipping adventure, I found a beat up vintage club set on Marketplace for $20. Why is it so special? There's always some club sets for $20. This one would have been much more expensive if I had found it during spring or the golf season. So I bought it, cleaned it up, listed it, boom, sold for $140. Again, what's special about that flip? When I do these kind of profitable flips all summer long, well, it's sold in 3 days, even though we were in the middle of winter. Because I had bought them cheap, I could sell them for much cheaper. Would have bought them during the summer, I would have bought them maybe for 80 bucks, would have sold them for 210. Now I found those for 20 and someone was really happy to get that set for $140. That one flip changed my mindset, and it could change things for you too. Winter wasn't the dead time anymore. It was an opportunity. Here's what most people don't realize. Golf season doesn't stop in winter, it just changes. And the deals don't stop for you either. Warm states are still playing and still buying gear, and winter is perfect to do all those things you normally wouldn't have the time to do during the summer. Regripping, repainting, refurbishing. Let's be honest, you'd be passing time going around the golf shops or thrift stores anyway, so might as well grab a club, bring it back home and flip it. You're already there. By the time spring hits, you either have cash in your flip jar or you have a full inventory ready to go while everyone else is still scrambling. And here's the obvious secret. Prices on eBay and Marketplace during the winter drop a lot on these seasonal items. Why? People clear out the garages before snow hits. Some golfers are retiring, it was their last season. And others just assume that nothing sells during the winter, so they price cheap. That's when you swoop in and get the best deals for yourself. Here's what's really exciting for you. If you can, don't put your flip money directly into bills or a joint account. Put it, cash, in a flip jar. Why? Because seeing with your eyes cash pile up right in front of you does something to your brain that a bank balance never will. When you can literally see bills stacking higher and higher, it triggers in your brain the reward system. Every flip stops being just another sell. It becomes a victory you can actually see and feel. And believe me, that feeling is indescribable. That growing jar of cash turns motivation into momentum. It's a visual proof that all your effort is working, and every time you look at it, your brain craves the next win. That feeling is way more powerful than just looking the numbers go up in a checking account. And think about spring, when you can open, empty, and count the content of your winter flip club. Every flip this winter is an investment in your next vacation, your next side hustle upgrade, or that Scotty you've been eyeing. So here's your choice. You can hibernate like everyone else, or flip your way into spring with cash. Start with just one club. Ideally a driver or a putter, just because irons are harder to sell individually. Clean it, flip it, list it, sell it. Just one. That one tiny win will change how you see winter. And once you see your flip jar starting to fill, the rest is history. Golf season doesn't have to end for you. It just changes. Winter's when you get ahead. If you want more flipping hacks, restoration tips, or motivation to start or keep your hustle alive, hit subscribe. Let's make this winter your most productive yet. And maybe, just maybe, I stop wearing this mic on this jacket, so I stop hitting it.